could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move.
Alright guys, we have another wig review. Thanks to Sunber here for sponsoring this video. Let's see what's inside. Now we have the wig and it is secure. Oh, this is a long wig. This is 24 inches, I believe, and it's a 7x5 Byebyeknots lace wig. The wig is secure. We do have a pre-cut lace, and this is what I like. Back, of course, you guys know I love a comb in the back of the wigs. Already we do have a adjustable band that you can adjust to fit your head, but most importantly we do have the drawstring. Now with the drawstring, I absolutely love wearing the drawstring wigs because it's one cap fits all. This is how the drawstring is, and right now the wig is as is. I'm gonna demonstrate and show you how you use the drawstring. This is it. So once the wig is on your head, you are gonna pull the string as tight as you want, you see, and then this part here, you're gonna pull it down so it is secure. They're very functional, so you can draw it to fit your head size, not too tight. Then you pull this side down. Super easy. Now this is the curl pattern and it is curly. We are gonna get to install. Gonna do the installation, so it's pre everything. I love the lace look, so that means it's gonna look super natural. But let's get to install, so let's go. Alright guys, I am about to install this wig, so let's get into it. Definitely have to take out my hair.
I believed everything we had was last. So young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kiss. Never so blind and she's right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm so naive to believe that with me you're a changed man. Foolish of me to sleep when you cheat with women. It took me some time, but now.
Anyway, let's go into the drawstring because I know this glueless is gonna be so good. So the first thing I am doing is, before we get to the drawstring, is the band. I didn't even tighten the band, but the way how the wig is structured, oh, it's so perfect. See, the band is not tightened as yet. I'm looking for the end. Once it's at an end, that means you know it's not tight. So I'm gonna pull this down first. This is like double security, okay? We can leave the band there. Now, with the drawstring, let's go around the back and look at the drawstring. You guys can see. Now we have the drawstring right here. I am going to go ahead, pull it. Pull the drawstring this part. We pull it down, and then snug this, and then we pull it. something looking like this. Now the wig is not going nowhere. Okay. Look at easy install. Now don't watch this because I did this on purpose. I am definitely gonna add some baby hair in this wig. We're gonna do glueless, of course. Because we're gonna give the illusion as if we're wearing a frontal wig. So I went ahead and I cut the front. So I'm gonna create some baby hair, but it's gonna be a glueless install. If you guys look already, I did nothing to the hair, so it's already glueless. You see, it's lifting. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make sure this part guys, so we're completely done. Very much glueless. I wanted this part to stay up. We're gonna go in and we're gonna wet down this wig. It's 26 or 24 inches. This is how it looks. We're gonna do some mousse and of course water, but I kind of like it. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of like it like this. I really do. It's water wavy. Like, this is one of the curly wigs that I feel like I don't need to add any water to, and it's very much vacation friendly. I love that. Look at it. The bust down, we are going to. Alright. Let's look. Should we? OMG. Alright, we're gonna add water to it and bust it down just to see how the curls will form, so you guys see how it looks dry. I like it, and you're gonna see it with the bust down. Let's see. Alright, let's add the mousse. The hair feels good, so I'm just gonna add the mousse first and then add the water. I don't think I need to. guys, it's been over 6 hours and I'm back. Yes, the hair is very much glueless. You guys are seeing well. It is so glueless, which I love. Okay, now the curls are even more defined. So I'm not going to use a comb. I'm just going to use my hand. And we're going to run through the curls. It's a little bit more fluffy. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. And again, and here. Ooh, here it goes. Perfect. Okay. And all I have to do is just run my hand through it. Come on now, let's talk about it. And the drawstring at the back, yeah, it did its thing, okay? So Sunber hair, you did this one. Absolutely love the water wavy hair. The texture is perfect. Look. Yes, I love it. It's pretty much glueless. And this is the simplest hairstyle you can do. I didn't have to pluck. I didn't have to do nothing more than create the baby ear, and you guys see it's a closure, so the illusion as if it's a frontal. So absolutely love it. Make sure you guys check the description. The link is right there. It's pre-everything. Absolutely love the lace. When you can get a wig and you add the wig on as glueless, and it's this seamless, girl, bite because yeah, yes, that's what I said. Pretty much fits every edge size because of the drawstring at the back. So this is how the curls look. Yeah. So thank you guys. Make sure you check the description. The link will be there, and I'll see you guys in the next